Every Swiss movement begins with raw metals chosen for their stability, machinability, and resistance to corrosion.
The movement plate, the foundation of every mechanical watch, is cut from carefully milled brass. Steel rods are shaped into gear blanks that will one day regulate time with astonishing accuracy.
Each gear tooth is carved individually, its profile determined by centuries of Swiss horological geometry.
Synthetic ruby jewels are drilled to guide pivots with minimal friction and unmatched longevity.
A hairspring begins as a Niverox alloy wire, drawn repeatedly until its thickness is measured in mere microns.
The wire is wound into a perfect spiral, whose geometry must stay consistent within a few microns.
A precise heat treatment stabilizes the hairspring, fixing its elasticity and long-term accuracy.
The escapement wheel's teeth must be polished to reduce friction and ensure precise impulse delivery.
The pallet fork, carved from steel and ruby, controls the pulse of the watch with remarkable precision.
Each gear tooth is polished until friction is nearly eliminated, enabling smooth and efficient power transfer.
Pinions are cut and hardened so they can endure decades of constant rotation.
The gear train is assembled by hand, converting stored energy into regulated motion. The barrel drum, which stores the watch's energy, must be machined with impeccable precision. The mainspring is coiled, lubricated, and prepared to supply power with consistent torque over many hours. With practiced hands, the mainspring is installed into the barrel, its inner coil gripping the arbor securely.
Geneva stripes are applied by hand, creating the iconic wave patterns of Swiss craftsmanship.
Perlage, the circular graining on the main plate, is applied to enhance both beauty and corrosion resistance.
Edges are beveled and polished by hand, producing sharp internal angles that machines cannot replicate. Ruby jewels are pressed into their bridge seats, ensuring frictionless rotation for the gear train pivots. The balance wheel is machined to an exact mass, so its oscillations remain perfectly consistent. Spokes are cut to reduce weight while maintaining rigidity, both crucial for stable oscillation. Poising ensures the balance wheel is perfectly weighted, preventing timing errors in any position. The stud and collet anchor the hairspring, allowing micron-level adjustments in its length and tension. The inner coil of the hairspring is fixed into the collet, a task requiring nearly motionless hands.
The hairspring is paired with the balance wheel, creating the oscillator that defines the watch's rhythm. The hairspring's outer end is secured to the stud, setting the spring's active length.
The impulse jewel delivers energy from the pallet fork to the balance wheel with exquisite precision. The escapement wheel is mounted on an arbor that must rotate with minimal friction. Ruby pallets are positioned at precise angles to ensure accurate impulse and locking.
The escapement wheel must interact flawlessly with the pallet fork for consistent impulse delivery.
The pallet fork is mounted under its bridge, ensuring controlled lateral motion.
The escapement is tested, each tick signifying a perfect transfer of energy. The balance wheel and hairspring assembly is installed, bringing the mechanism to life.
Beat error is corrected so each tick and tock occur at perfectly even intervals.
The winding stem is machined from steel, forming the precise interface between the wearer's touch and the movement's mechanics.
The crown is sculpted from steel or gold, combining tactile feel with mechanical durability.
The crown is fitted onto the stem, creating a connection that must feel precise yet effortless.
The keyless works allow the wearer to wind the watch, set the time, and engage different mechanical modes.
The clutch system enables crisp transitions between winding, neutral, and time-setting positions.
The winding pinion is polished, so energy flows smoothly from the crown to the barrel.
Reverser wheels convert wrist motion into bidirectional winding, a hallmark of automatic watches.
A low-friction bearing supports the rotor, enabling efficient energy transfer from wrist movement.
Each number on the date ring is printed with flawless opacity and alignment.
The date jumper spring ensures a crisp, decisive change at midnight. The motion works transmit rotational energy from the gear train to the hour and minute hands with perfect reduction ratios. Friction within the cannon pinion must be exact. Too loose and the hands drift. Too tight and the stem strains.
The setting wheels synchronize the wearer's input with the motion works, enabling accurate time adjustment.
The dial feet must align perfectly with the main plate to ensure the dial sits flat and secure.
Once aligned, the dial is secured gently to avoid deforming its surface or printing. Fitting the hands requires absolute verticality and perfect coaxial alignment.
The minute hand must align precisely with the hour hand's plane to prevent vertical interference.
The second hand is the most delicate, requiring both balance and minimal mass for precise oscillation tracking.
The case tube guides the crown stem and must be fitted with airtight precision.
The crown gasket is lubricated to maintain water resistance and effortless stem operation.
The movement is lowered into the case, beginning its transformation from mechanism to timepiece. Case clamps hold the movement firmly, preventing even the slightest internal shift.
The stem is inserted through the case tube to connect crown and keyless works. The crown is screwed onto the stem, forming a seamless mechanical bridge between the wearer and the watch.
The case back, often engraved or fitted with sapphire, is prepared for sealing.
A precision gasket ensures water resistance, preventing moisture from reaching the movement.
The case back is tightened to a precise torque, ensuring structural integrity and water resistance.
A vacuum test checks for microscopic air leaks before deeper water resistance evaluations.
Pressure testing ensures the watch withstands real-world conditions at rated depths. Timing regulation adjusts the movement so it keeps time with exquisite accuracy. Positional regulation begins with the dial-up position, measuring the watch's natural resting accuracy. Dial-down testing reveals friction differences in the balance pivots and end stones. Crown-up testing simulates real wrist orientation, exposing vertical positional deviations. Crown-down testing completes the vertical checks, ensuring the oscillator behaves predictably in all orientations.
The final two positions, crown left and crown right, confirm full positional stability across 6 axes.
A controlled shock test ensures the movement survives everyday impacts without losing accuracy.
Magnetic fields can disrupt accuracy, so the watch is tested against high-intensity flux.
The power reserve test measures how long the movement runs from a full wind until complete depletion. Rotor efficiency is tested to ensure wrist motion fully winds the mainspring.
Rotor noise and vibration are evaluated to ensure a premium mechanical feel on the wrist. The rotor is mounted with a precision bearing, enabling smooth, bidirectional winding.
A protective film prevents scratches while final assembly steps are completed.
The sapphire crystal is pressed into the case, forming a clear and durable window to the dial.
Mirror polishing transforms raw steel into a flawless, reflective surface.
Brushed finishing creates a subtle, directional texture, emblematic of Swiss craftsmanship.
Before final casing, every surface is ultrasonically cleaned to remove dust and polishing residue. The movement returns to its polished case, now protected and visually complete. The hands are secured in their final pristine environment, free of dust and fingerprints.
Swiss bracelets are assembled link by link, ensuring comfort, flexibility, and durability.
Leather straps are hand-selected for grain consistency, durability, and tone.
Spring bars secure the strap to the case, requiring perfect alignment within the lugs. The bracelet or leather strap is attached, transforming the watch from mechanism to wearable craft. Hand clearance is tested to ensure zero contact between hour, minute, and second hands during rotation.
A microscopic dust inspection guarantees the dial, crystal, and hands remain pristine.
The watch undergoes COSC-level precision testing to verify consistent accuracy across positions.
After assemble, the watch is retested for shock absorption and resistance to magnetism.
The winding feel is evaluated, ensuring that torque, smoothness, and tactile clicks meet Swiss standards.
A power reserve confirmation ensures the movement runs for the specified number of hours after a full wind.
Crystal surfaces and case finishing are inspected for scratches, distortions, or machining artifacts.
Bracelet fit and comfort are evaluated with micro adjustments to ensure ergonomic perfection.
All seals and gaskets are inspected to ensure continued water resistance throughout the watch's lifespan.
The strap or bracelet is attached to the fully tested case, marking one of the final stages of assembly.
A final polish removes fingerprints and micro smudges, giving the watch its showroom shine.
The finished watch is placed into its presentation box, completing the journey from raw metal to Swiss precision.
A final certification seal confirms that every standard of Swiss watchmaking has been met or exceeded.
The beating heart of the watch reveals the artistry hidden beneath its dial. The balance wheel oscillates thousands of times per hour, regulating the flow of time. Hidden beneath layers of craftsmanship, the gear train channels energy with remarkable efficiency.
Decoration elevates engineering into artistry, every surface shaped by human hands. The rotor captures the rhythm of life, transforming motion into power.
Sapphire crystal reveals the dial beneath with pure optical clarity.
The dial showcases the character of the watch, crafted for beauty, legibility, and identity. The hands sweep across time with deliberate, measured movement.
Polished and brushed surfaces play with light, revealing craftsmanship at every angle.
Whether steel or leather, the strap completes the watch with personality and comfort.
A Swiss timepiece endures the elements with quiet resilience.
A watch becomes complete only when it meets the wrist it was crafted for.
Through the sapphire caseback, The inner world of mechanics remains alive and visible. Every angle reveals another layer of intention, heritage, and precision. The smallest components, ruby jewels and polished pivots, play a monumental role in keeping perfect time. In natural light, a Swiss watch reveals its full character and craftsmanship. Time unfolds gracefully in the hands of a well-crafted movement. A watch becomes part of a life, carried through moments ordinary and extraordinary.
A culmination of centuries of mastery, distilled into a single object.
In the quiet tick of a Swiss watch, time finds its most human form.